Welcome to the Footcast. Today, we'll dive into why Mexican DNA is so unique, a story of migration, conquest, and cultural fusion that shapes Mexico's genetic identity. From ancient indigenous roots to modern genetic blends, we'll uncover what makes Mexican DNA stand apart in the world.
Mexico's genetic landscape is like a vibrant tapestry, woven by millennia of migration and cultural interaction. It's not just about a single heritage, but a mix of indigenous, European, African, and even Asian genetic legacies. Today, we explore how each of these groups contributed to the unique genetic identity of modern Mexicans. Before any foreign explorers set foot on Mexican soil, indigenous civilizations like the Aztecs, Mayans, and Olmecs had already shaped the land. Their genetic legacy, deeply rooted in Mexico, continues to be passed down through generations, contributing to the backbone of Mexican DNA.
The arrival of the Spanish conquistadors in 1519 introduced European genetic markers into the Mexican gene pool. This began the creation of the mestizo identity, a fusion of Spanish and indigenous DNA, which laid the foundation for Mexico's modern population. The African diaspora left a strong imprint on Mexican DNA, especially in regions like Veracruz and Oaxaca. Similarly, the influx of Chinese and Filipino immigrants added an unexpected layer of genetic diversity, particularly in northern Mexico, creating a genetic blend seen nowhere else. Chinese and Filipino immigrants who came to Mexico during the late 19th and early 20th centuries introduced new genetic traits. These communities are particularly present in northern states like Torreón and Mexicali, where their contributions to the Mexican genetic pool are still visible today. Mexican DNA is like no other. It's a mix of indigenous, European, African, and Asian markers. This genetic diversity is responsible for many of the unique characteristics of Mexican people, from physical traits to disease resistance and adaptability. Genetics also plays a role in health. Mexican DNA has led to resistance to malaria in some regions thanks to African ancestry, while type 2 diabetes is more common in those with strong indigenous roots. These traits shape health trends in Mexico today. Mexican DNA is a living mosaic, a combination of indigenous, European, African, and Asian roots. This diversity is what makes the genetic identity of Mexicans one of the most distinct in the world. It tells a story of migration, fusion, and survival that continues to shape modern Mexico. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into the uniqueness of Mexican DNA, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Share this video with friends and family, and let's keep exploring these fascinating topics together.